Hey, this is Lloyd from DIYMindDesign.com. This video shows you how to manage your time and productivity with the action method and Microsoft To Do. The action method is from the popular business book Making Ideas Happen, written by Scott Belsky, the CEO of Behance. Let's see how to manage the action method using Microsoft To Do. I'm using the Windows desktop version for this video, but you can also download a version for Mac and for Android. Go to todo.microsoft.com. Create a Microsoft account if you don't have one. Download the app or use the online version. Click on New List and enter your project name and press Return. Next, click on Add a Task and type in backburner. Repeat the process adding resources and action steps. You can move them in any order by clicking and holding on the item and moving it up or down. Click on the Action Steps task to add steps. Add a step, press Return, and add more steps. You can see on the Action Steps panel you have completed 0 of 3 steps. When you click on the circle, it shows the item as completed. Click on Remind Me to set a reminder on your calendar. You can add more notes at the bottom. You can explore the other features if you use Microsoft To Do in the future. That's how you manage your time and productivity using the action method and Microsoft To Do. Check the video description for more personal achievement resources from DIYMindDesign.com. Like, subscribe, and click the bell to get instant notification of new videos. I hope you have great success and happiness.